Hi, I'm Plur-e. I would like to show you how the sales module works in detail. Please see the video regarding installation and setup if you haven't done so. Sales order creation. First, open Plur-e for Android. Go to the sales module, click on the sales order, then click on New. Search for your customers using the search feature and select the customer you want to sell to. At this point of the sales order, you have the option to select an existing ship to address. Keep in mind that this is the same data available in Business Central. Order dates and delivery dates can be set. Now, we are ready to enter products. To the bottom left, you have the option to scan a barcode or select a product from the list. Remember, prices set in Business Central will appear exactly in Plur-e. If you have permission, you can set additional discounts and you can verify your totals by line item. Let's add another item. Scrolling to the left allows you to change quantities or units of measure if they are set up on Business Central. When you are done entering items, just click Save. It's that simple. Order number will be displayed for your reference. Now, let's check our work. First, go to Business Central and click on Sales Orders, display the list, and you'll be able to see the sales order that we just created in Plur-e. Order dates and shipment dates are all the same. And please note the salesperson code, as this is the salesperson assigned to the Plur-e user when it's set up. Let's look at the line items, quantities, discounts, prices, and dates, and hope that they match the original order created in Plur-e. That's all. It's that simple. Now, we would like to show how sales orders entered under the same salesperson are also viewable in Plur-e, so they can be reviewed and edited if necessary. Go to the Sales module, click on the View Sales Order functionality. Please note that the sales order can be fully edited if it's not in release status in Business Central. Values and quantities can be changed. Once saved, Business Central will be updated. If the sales order is not in release status, keep in mind that they can be deleted as well. Just to view, scroll to the sales order to the right and then delete. Posting sales orders in Plur-e. For items delivered from the Plur-e mobile, sometimes it is necessary to ship an invoice from the mobile application. For that, you can post a sales order from Plur-e mobile. Go to the Sales module. Go to View Sales Order, select the sales order, scroll to the left, and click Post. This will do the same as posting in Business Central. We can quickly verify that the posted sales invoice is now in Business Central. All relevant GL postings were done according to Business Central setup. Now, we will demo how to create a sales return order. We can go to the Sales module and create a sales return order. It's the same process to create a sales order. It will just credit your customer. As like sales orders, sales return orders can also be viewed, edited, deleted, and posted if they're not released in Business Central. Let's now create an invoice. Invoices are a great tool when you want to deliver and collect payments right from Plur-e mobile. The process is similar to a sales order, but you need to go to the Sales module and initiate a sales invoice. Click on Sales Invoice, New, then enter the data required and enter or scan products. As in sales orders, sales invoices are created immediately in Business Central if the connection is active. As sales orders, invoices can be deleted, edited, and posted from Plur-e. Let's create a sales credit memo. You will create a credit memo instead of a sales order return order when you are receiving the inventory. From Plur-e, the sales return order is created when the inventory is expected to be received in the future. If you want to accept item from your customer, use Sales Credit Memo. Functionality is the same. Thank you for using Plur-e. The receipt process involves recording the arrival of items into the warehouse, whether from suppliers, transfers from other locations, or customer returns. This step is crucial for updating the system with the physical stock entering the warehouse, ensuring it is prepared for subsequent processes such as put away or picking. Once a purchase order is created in Business Central, the receipt document can be generated. Completing the receipt process through a web browser has several drawbacks. Staff must return to a fixed terminal, which can be time-consuming, especially in large warehouses. Additionally, the lack of scanner integration reduces efficiency, and manual data entry increases the risk of errors. The Plur-e mobile application addresses these issues by seamlessly integrating with Business Central. With Plur-e, staff can log receipts directly from anywhere in the warehouse, eliminating the need to return to a fixed terminal and saving time. The app also supports barcode scanners, speeding up operations and reducing data entry errors. This portable solution enhances efficiency and accuracy, providing a faster and more reliable experience. Once the receipt document has been opened in the mobile application, we can receive items with or without tracking, including serial or lot tracking. To do so, we scan the UPC code and enter the quantities to be received. If we are receiving items with serial tracking, then we proceed to scan the serial numbers. If we are receiving items with lot tracking, we can use the scan to get the lot number. At any time during the scanning process, you can consult the items that have been scanned by clicking on the highlighted icon. You can select the items you wish to delete and eliminate them. Once we have all the items, we can proceed to post the receipt. The warehouse physical journal is used to record inventory adjustments after conducting physical counts, ensuring that recorded quantities align with the actual stock. During this process, items, locations, and counted quantities are entered, and the system calculates any discrepancies between the physical count and recorded inventory. After review, adjustments are posted, impacting only the warehouse inventory. Note that accounting may require additional adjustments in the financial module if necessary. This journal is ideal for managed warehouses and is commonly used for cycle counts or audits. Import item journal. Manually entering large volumes of data can be time-consuming and prone to errors such as transcription mistakes or duplication. To streamline this process, the import item journal function allows item information to be uploaded using an Excel template. This approach speeds up data entry and minimizes errors, improving efficiency and accuracy. Select the function Import Item Journal. Upload the Excel template file with item information. The Excel template must have this structure. When we finish importing the Excel file, the journal creates the corresponding lines. Then we select the option Register. Next, open the Item Journals page and select the option Calculate Warehouse Adjustment. Select OK in the next window. Once the lines have been generated, the item journals will finally be posted. The bin contents process and Business Central manages the relationship between stored items and their specific warehouse locations, or bins, making it essential for efficient inventory control in warehouses configured with bin locations. However, performing this process through the browser can be inefficient due to manual navigation, the absence of integrated scanning tools, and a higher risk of errors when updating bin content information. The mobile application Plur-e overcomes these challenges by enabling users to scan barcodes, view and update bin contents in real time, and operate within an interface optimized for the warehouse environment. This improves accuracy, reduces operational time, and enhances traceability for more effective inventory management. Additionally, the bin contents report allows you to check the inventory quantity of a specific item. By scanning the item's UPC or serial number, the system can confirm its existence and display the available quantity. The bin-to-bin process in Business Central facilitates the transfer of inventory from one bin, storage location, to another within the same warehouse. This is particularly useful for reorganizing stock, consolidating items, or creating additional space. When performed through the browser, the bin-to-bin process can be cumbersome due to manual navigation, repetitive data entry, and an increased risk of errors when recording movements. The Plur-e mobile application addresses these challenges by offering an agile and efficient solution. It supports barcode scanning and real-time movement recording, and features an intuitive interface optimized for warehouse operations. This enhances accuracy and traceability while significantly reducing operational time and errors. Through the bin-to-bin process, we can easily move an item from one bin to another. The count by bin process in Business Central involves performing physical inventory counts for specific warehouse locations, known as bins. This process ensures accuracy by verifying the actual quantities stored in each bin against system records, as well as identifying discrepancies and making necessary adjustments to maintain precise inventory tracking. To perform this procedure in the browser, navigate to the Warehouse Physical Inventory Journal page and select the Calculate Inventory option. You can filter the items to be counted. In this example, the filter is set to the bin labeled Floor. Once the lines are calculated, the counted quantities must be entered manually. However, conducting the count by bin process in Business Central through the browser can be cumbersome due to manual navigation, repetitive data entry, and limited integration with tools like barcode scanners. These limitations increase the risk of errors. The Plur-e mobile application overcomes these challenges by enabling real-time counts, direct product scanning from bins as well, and fast, accurate recording of results. This streamlined approach enhances efficiency, minimizes errors, and improves traceability during physical inventory counts. Next, we will perform the process using the Plur-e application. Start by opening the Warehouse Management module. Select the Physical Inventory option. Then, select the Inventory Count by Bin. Select the journal template where the items have been loaded, and choose the batch containing the loaded items. This will open a page where you can enter the items and their respective quantities. Use the Print Items option to generate a list of items in the batch along with their calculated quantities. To begin the count, scan the bin where the count will take place. Then, scan the UPC or serial number of each item and enter the physical quantity found. After entering all the quantities, the data is synchronized and updated in Business Central, and the document is registered in Business Central to complete the process. The chatbot module is designed to deliver key information about the most commonly used processes in the Plur-e application. Acting as a virtual assistant, it streamlines decision-making by providing quick and accurate responses, reducing search times, and enhancing operational efficiency. Its customizable interactions further simplify navigation and optimize internal resource usage, boosting overall user productivity. This module is available on both the desktop and mobile versions of the Plur-e application. This module can be trained by supplying the necessary documentation, ensuring it has the appropriate context for its responses, and reducing the risk of providing inaccurate or hallucinated information. We can delete the documents the chatbot has been trained on if they have become outdated, ensuring they always provide accurate and up-to-date information. The application also logs questions that the chatbot cannot answer, enabling the identification of topics that need further training in the model.